In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently archive different elements in Asana, whether you're looking to clean up your workspace or simply organize your projects for better management. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First, start by heading over to asana.com and logging into your account. Once you've logged in, navigate to the workspace or team that contains the project, team, or task you want to archive. It's important to make sure you're in the correct section before proceeding, as this will ensure that all your actions affect only the intended items. Now, let's begin with archiving a project. Go to the project list within your chosen workspace or team. You'll see a list of all the available projects there. Next to the name of the project you want to archive, there should be a 3 dots menu. Go ahead and click that, and from the drop-down menu, select the option to archive project. You'll then be prompted to confirm this action. Once you do, the project will disappear from your active views. Don't worry though, it isn't gone for good. You can still find and access it later through archive projects whenever you need to. Moving on to archiving a team, this step is pretty straightforward. Locate the team name on the sidebar of your Asana interface and give it a click. This will open up the team details. Look for the team settings, which are indicated by a gear icon, and hit that. You'll see an option to archive team. Select it. As with archiving a project, you'll need to confirm your decision. Once confirmed, your team, along with all its projects, will shift into the archive team section. They'll still be accessible if and when you need them, but will no longer clutter your active workspace. Finally, let's look at how to archive a task. In Asana, tasks are essentially archived when they're marked as complete. So start by opening up the task you wish to archive. Find the Mark Complete button and give it a click. For those who like an extra layer of organization, you may want to move the task to a specific Done section or a Project Archive section within Asana. This just makes tracking and retrieval a bit easier in the future. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a tidier and more organized Asana workspace. Archiving